How to use FL Studio on Mac. In this video, I'll show you how to use FL Studio on Mac.
So to get started, start by downloading the macOS installer from the official ImageLine website. Double-click the .tmg file and drag FL Studio to your Applications folder. Launch the app and sign in to your ImageLine account. Make sure your macOS version is compatible, at least macOS 10.13 or later. To reduce latency, go to Audio Settings and select Core Audio or an external audio interface. Use MIDI settings to connect keyboards or drum pads. Install VSTs via the Plugin Manager, making sure they're macOS compatible versions. If plugins don't appear, rescan your plugin folder. FL Studio works best on Apple Silicon chips, but is also stable on Intel. Enable Rosetta if you're using older plugins on M1/M2 Macs. Save files in .flp format for cross-device use. Use multi-touch gestures and touch bar shortcuts if available. And that's how to use FL Studio on Mac.